So now we are simulating where the purge air has dropped below the required pressure, and what will happen over the GC, you will have error, red light, you will have oven communication error, low oven pressure. Let's see what happens. Okay, your GC will continue doing what it is supposed to do, and later you will see the effect. Okay, so the air pressure has dropped after the analyzer finishes its cycle. The first error that comes up is script execution error. Let's take a look what happened. Okay, the alarm, carrier pressure drop. Okay, hydrogen limiter turned off by itself, oven seems to be turned on. Okay, and then the cycle stopped, it cannot continue anymore, it's in a stop mode. So now to recover back this from this condition, we have to turn on back the air. We shall turn on the air back. To the recommended setting of 5 bar or more. Okay, immediately you will see the alarm has changed. Oven 1 purging, low oven pressure. So now, because the oven is still purging, you will not have any power sent to the oven CPU, and you will not be able to communicate with the oven. So from here, you have to wait another 20 to 25 minutes for this alarm, low oven pressure and oven pressure purging to clear. So we have to wait for another 20 minutes. So after about 20 to 25 minutes, the oven is fully purged. The only alarm you will see is carrier gas pressure low. Why? It's because the hydrogen limiter is not turned on. Oven is back to normal temperature. Detector is off.
So we have run back.
Yes. And your hydrogen limiter is also off. You have to look at it here. Hydrogen limiter is off. That's why your carrier pressure is low.
Okay.
So now you have to lock in and then put to manual mode and turn on everything step by step. So we have to put to manual mode. First we turn on the hydrogen limiter over here. Once you turn on, the carrier gas will come in. Turn on. You see your carrier gas will slowly come up. Okay, at the same time we will turn on my oven. So you can see the oven temperature will slowly rise up. And I need to turn on my detector. Wait for the carrier pressure to be stable. I will turn on my detector. So again, you will wait for this to hit 7 volt, millivolt, and everything will be stable. So let's check my oven temperature. It's going up. Detector is going up. So again, you can see the milliamp has increased again. So you have to wait for this to drop to 260 milliamp, depending on the type of GC carrier you are using. In this case, the carrier is a H2, it's 260 milliamp before you can start proper analysis. So you will, from now, you need to take another about 4 hours for the whole GC to be stabilized. Okay, oven coming up. So right now there is no more alarm,
Yeah.
as you can see, because we have cleared the alarm. So now the oven temperature has hit to 75.3. It will slowly fluctuate around 75. So now we can turn it on, commission back the process. Okay, put to the process mode and you can just press play. And you will see the cycle will count backwards 600 seconds depending on your set warm-up time, after which it will commission the process. Your stream will turn on and off. So you have successfully commissioned back a GC when the air has tripped back to process. Let's check, detectors are on, oven is good, and you're in the process mode, run.